The keto diet is rapidly gaining in popularity, although it has been around for almost a century. There is a reason why keto is so highly regarded. It actually works, and it has tremendous health benefits in addition to weight loss. When on the keto diet, you are feeding your body exactly what it needs, and are eliminating toxins that will slow it down. The keto diet focuses on low carbohydrates, which the body converts into energy to help speed up weight loss. What exactly is the problem with high carbs, and why should you avoid them? They become converted into glucose and insulin. As the insulin enters the bloodstream to process the glucose, it becomes the main source of energy. The body doesn't need fast and begins to store it. The more glucose in your diet, the less fat is being used. When you consume less carbohydrates, the body goes into state referred to as ketosis. Ketosis helps the body survive on less food. During ketosis, the liver breaks down fats into ketones, which enables the body to use the fat as energy. During a keto diet, we don't starve ourselves of calories, we starve the body of carbohydrates. This makes weight loss easy and natural. The keto diet is an easy diet, but some people do miss beans and breads.